In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use American Express gift card on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to settings, then go to users and accounts. Now here in account, wait for it to load and go to payment and subscriptions. Now here are few ways to use the American Express gift card. So the first way is go on payment methods. Now here go to credit debit card. Now here are two ways. The first way is to scan the QR code using your PlayStation app on your phone, or go down and you can use controller instead to put the gift card code manually. So if you want, you can use the PlayStation app and go on there and scan the QR code, or go on use controller instead. Press X. You can enter here all of the your American Express gift card information manually, and then go on continue and press X. Now the other way is to use American Express gift card. Go on redeem codes, enter here code, and after entering, go on redeem, press X. Another way is to go on add funds, press here X on redeem code and gift cards, enter here the code. After entering, go on redeem, press X, and if the code is correct and valid, it will work. So this is how you can use American Express gift card on your PS5. Thanks for watching.